The first lab is lab techniques and measurement. It's going to take you a while to do it. There's a lot of pieces. When we do this first lab, you have to be conscious of significant figures. Every measurement has to be measured precisely with the correct number of significant figures. It's critical that you use what you learned in Unit 1 when you're making laboratory measurements. And this is going to teach you how to do it. So go slowly, be very careful, be precise in your measurements, and make sure you understand what they mean when you make them. What's the significance of the significant figures we have and their precision? The first thing you're going to see in a hands-on lab is the exploration. That's just some background information. You have to go through it. There's some questions you have to answer. Read it carefully. Know it carefully. This is teaching you stuff that you're going to be assessed on that we're expecting you to know. You may have learned it in the videos. It may be a different application, which will help you understand it even more. Then comes the experimentation. The experimentation is where you're actually doing stuff. Follow the directions carefully. Don't jump ahead. And I don't know if you're going to do this or not, but please read the entire procedure first so you know what it is you're going to be doing and why you're doing it, which will let you go much faster through the procedure when you start doing it. In the lab, when you look at it, you'll look at the materials. Some of the supplies come with the kit you were sent. Some of them you have to obtain. So what I would do is, as I'm going through the labs, look at the student-supplied materials first. Make sure you have all them before make sure you get them early in the week so you're ready to go when you're ready to do that lab. You don't want to be caught off because you don't have a pie tin or something. And if you read the procedures, you'll see why those things are important, so maybe you can substitute something. After the experimentation, and keep in mind, you have to record your data in the data sheet. You'll see how to do that on Hands-On Lab. Then comes the evaluation. There's a series of questions at the end that you have to answer in Hands-On Lab, and all this stuff reflects in your grade, your lab grade. If you have any questions at any time on any of the labs, please ask me. Don't wait. Don't hesitate. Either text me using Remind or send me an email. If we need to, we can have a Zoom meeting and we can go ahead and talk about it and make sure we understand this stuff.